Right now we're here at Urban Blue. We're at the trash compactor. This is what it looks like now. Right before we start, we did a little bit of cleanup. We're gonna come down. We're gonna get all this debris from valet trash. I can tell that they have not done any cleaning before, but we're here to do this. This is a proud job by G&B Cleaning Solutions. This is our before video. So when it continues, it'll be the after. All right, this is the end results of cleaning, pressure washing here at the trash compactor at Urban Blue. You see a major difference. No more grease stains, no more dragging of the bags. All right, I got Antonio doing the rest of the sidewalk coming down from the ramp. He's going to do in front of the doors. You can see, look at all the debris, carbon buildup, whatnot. And some people just drag their bags over here, so we have to deal with on a daily basis when we do some of our pressure washing cleaning. All right, we're nearly finished with the job. I'll have them get the doors, las puertas también. So it looks good.